Good day, students. It's a format journal entries. Okay. Last part, okay, third part, company accounts. We are going to take up first initially forfeiture entry. Three sums, small sums, three. Okay. So these are total four questions. Out of four questions, okay, all the questions I am going to do one thing. Okay, questions are given in the description. Okay, before see the videos, see the description. I will give the four questions. Please copy or you can take notes. Okay, then watch video. Definitely you can understand. Okay, take problem number 1. RS Limited forfeited 10,000 equity shares of 10 each for non-payment of first call of rupees 2 per share and final call of rupees 3 per share. Out of these, 6,000 shares were reissued at rupees 8 per share and the balance shares were reissued at rupees 7. See, out of 10,000 shares forfeited, 6,000 reissued at rupees 8, balance that is 4,000 reissued at rupees 7. So fully reissued. Okay, so forfeiture entry, listen, okay, it's a due to time constraint. I will pause the video, write the journal entry and I will explain. Okay, see, 10,000 shares, okay, of 10 each for non-payment of first call 2 rupees and the final call 3 rupees. Out of these, 6,000 shares are reissued at rupees 8 per share and balance are reissued at 7 per share. That is journal entry. So first initially we forfeit the shares. Okay. So out of 10 rupees, 5 rupees I am to pay. First call 2 and final call 3. Thereby you have to forfeit. Thereby equity share capital 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. First call 2 rupees. So 10,000 into 20,000. Second and final call 3 rupees. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. Balance forfeited shares, that is amount so far received by the company is 5 rupees. Out of 10, first call and second call 2 plus 3, 5 rupees due. Out of 10, 5 due, balance 5 received by the company, thereby it is cancelled or forfeited. That is 10,000 to 5, 50,000. Then reissue. Bank account debit, 7,000 shares, sorry, yes, 6,000 shares at rupees 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 plus 7,000 shares at the rate of, sorry, balance 4,000 shares. 4,000 shares at the rate of 7. 28. 4,000 are 28. So 48 plus 28, 76. Then forfeited shares upon 24,000. Equity share capital 1 lakh. And finally, last little simple. Forfeited shares upon debit to capital reserve. 15 minus 24, 26,000. Second sum is you have to try because it is easy. Third sum I will try, very important. JK Limited forfeited 15,000 equity shares of 15 each, including 5 rupees per share premium for non-payment of allotment money 8, including premium, and first and final call of 5. Out of these, 10,000 shares were reissued at rupees 14. So we have to pass forfeiture entry. This is first sum. This one third. Second, please you have to write share capital account debit, securities premium account debit, to share allotment, to first and final call, to forfeited shares. Out of 15,000, so 15,000 into 10, 1 lakh 50. 15,000 into 5, 75,000. Allotment 15,000 into 8, 1 lakh 20. First and final call 15,000 into 5. Out of 15 rupees, 8 rupees allotment, first and final call 5, total 13. It means rupees 2 application. Thereby forfeited shares 15,000 into 2, 30,000. Then the reissued, second entry. Reissue entry, bank account debit to equity share capital to security premium because issue at 14, not entire share. Out of 15,000, they are reissued at 10,000 shares. They issued only 10,000 shares. Thereby, bank account debit 10,000 into 14, 1 lakh 40. Share capital 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. Security premium 10,000 into 4, 40. 10,000 into 4 into 10. Thereby, how much here? 30,000. See, 30,000 for 15,000 shares. What about 10,000? 2/3. That is 30,000 to 2/3, 20,000 transferred to capital reserve. So, forfeited shares account debit to capital reserve. 20, 20. See, questions given in the description. Once again, repeat. Question given in the description. Okay. So, please copy it fast. Next, we are going to take a big sum. Okay, bada sum. Not even quick. Problem number 2. Jyoti Limited issued for public subscription 1 lakh equity shares of which 100 each at a premium of 20 per share. Payable as application 20, allotment 50 including premium, first call 20, final call 30. Application will receive 1,50,000. See, for 1 lakh shares, application receive 1,50,000. It is nothing but over subscription. See, there are in a subscription, under subscription, over subscription. Company offered 1 lakh shares, but application received 1,50,000. It is nothing but over subscription. Suppose if application received say 80,000, it is under subscription. So this is the problem based on over subscription. So 1,50,000 applications received. The shares were allotted pro rata to the applicant of 1,20,000 shares. The remaining application being rejected. Money overpaid on application was utilized towards sum due on allotment. Already last class we discussed. In case of pro rata, that is excess application money adjusted towards allotment. Very simple. 1 share, 1 application is enough. For 1 lakh shares, 1 lakh application is enough. But they are receiving 1,50,000. Out of 1,50,000, 30,000 is rejected. So for 1,20,000 application, they are giving 1 lakh shares. It means 20,000 shares application money excessively received. Okay, this amount will be adjusted along with what you got, along with further dues. That is nothing but allotment. So this 20,000 into say 6 lakh rupees adjusted towards allotment. Okay. Next, Ram, to whom 4,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the allotment money and the call money. Guru, to whom 5,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay 2 calls. These shares were subsequently forfeited after the second call was made. All the forfeited shares was sold to Mr. Siva as fully paid up at rupees 80 per share. Pass the necessary journal entries. See, don't worry, this sum I will give in the video link that is under the description. Okay, just check it out. First of all, application received 1,50,000 for 1 lakh shares. Out of that, 30,000 applications rejected, there will be nil. So 1 lakh note application, pro rata is 1 lakh shares. It means ratio for total application 10 shares or for 6 application 5 shares. This is the ratio 6:5. So first journal entry, application is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 into 20, 30 lakhs. How much? 30 lakhs. Out of 30 lakhs, 1 lakh into 20 share capital 20 lakhs. Allotment, excess application 20,000 into 24 lakhs. Rejected bank 6 lakhs. Any doubt? So in bank bracket open 30,000 into 20. Allotment nothing but 20,000 into 20. That's all. Next entry, allotment account debit. How much? Application 50 rupees. 50 into 1 lakh, 50 lakhs. Share capital, how much premium? 20 rupees. So 20 into 1 lakh, 20 lakhs. Share capital 30 lakhs. Any doubt? Because application money 50, including premium 20 rupees given. See, this is a very important journal entry. Definitely for this entry you will get at least 3 to 4 marks. 3 to 4 marks. Why? Because this calculation is very important. Reason, See, total allotment due 50 lakhs. Out of 50 lakhs, already received how much? 4 lakhs. So today is due 46 lakhs. But unfortunately, Mr. Ram, to whom 4,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the allotment money. Okay, so we have to calculate calculation of allotment money. So allotment due how much? 50 lakhs. Allotment money due 50 lakhs less excess application money adjusted towards allotment how much? 4 lakhs. So actual due 46 lakhs. Out of 46 less from to whom allotted 4,000 shares failed to pay allotment money. So 4,000 shares into rupees 50. How much due? 2 lakhs. Listen carefully. See, actually wrong. To whom allotted 4,000 shares failed to pay the allotment money. See, 4,000 into 52 lakhs. In fact, listen carefully. 4,000 allotted. Wrong. To whom allotted 4,000. See, the ratio is very simple. For every 6 application, 5 shares allotted. Here, 4,000 shares allotted. Okay. So, how much the wrong paid application money? Very simple. So 4,000 divided by 5 into 6, which is nothing but 4,800 minus 4,000. So excess application money 800 into 20, 16,000 rupees already paid. 16,000 rupees is already paid. Thereby today's due is not 2 lakhs, 1,84,000 rupees. Thereby plus 44 lakh 16,000. This is allotment money received. Entry number 4, 44 lakh 16,000. 44 lakh 16,000. Any doubt? It's very important. Next, as usual, share first call upon debit to share second call. How much first call? 20 rupees. Again 20 into 1 lakh, 20 lakhs. But at the time of making money, first call, Ram also due as well as Guru also due. Total 6,000 plus 4,000, 10, sorry, 4,000 for Ram, 5,000 for Guru, 9,000 shares. So out of 20 lakhs, bracket open, 9,000 shares paid to pay 20 rupees. That is 1 lakh 80. And with 1 lakh 80 to 18 lakh 20,000 only received. 18 lakh 20,000 received. In doubt? Because 4,000 shares belongs to Ram, 5,000 shares belongs to Guru. Both are paid to pay call money. Of course, allotment already Ram due. Along with allotment, first call also due Ram. Guru allotment paid, but first and second call due. Come to second call. Okay, share second call 30 rupees. That way 30 lakhs. As usual, bank entry 30 lakhs minus 9,000 into 30. 2 lakhs 73. 27 lakh 30. 27 lakh 30. Doubt? Any doubt? Important sum? Okay, the basic sum. Next two sums also very important. 27 lakh 30, 27 lakh 30. Next, okay, the company decided to forfeit these shares. These shares were subsequently forfeited after the second call was made. That means now we are going to forfeit. How many shares? 9,000 shares. So 9,000 into 100, 9 lakhs. Security premium, as far as Ram is concerned, 4,000 shares failed to pay security premium. 4,000 shares failed to pay security premium. Security premium 20. 4,000 into 20, 80,000. How much allotment due? This is very important. C working note. C working note. How much due? 1 lakh 84. What about first call due? 9,000 into 1 lakh 80. 2 lakh 70. So this is quite interesting. Listen carefully. Forfeiture shares. Forfeitures are nothing but already discussed. Is nothing but amount so far received by the company. Amount received so far received by the company. Here very important. See, as far as ROM is concerned, only application money. How many application? 4,800. Very good. 4,800 into 20, 96,000. What about Guru? Guru paid application money and allotment money. See, already last time discussed, if security premium paid by the shareholder, then do not disturb. It is already created in the security premium. Do not touch. If you touch, it will impact. The reason, when you are going to utilize security premium as per section 52, subsection 2, only for the purpose of issue of bonus shares, redemption of writing of premium, redemption of preference shares, debentures, buyback as per section 68. So for that purpose you are going to use. Okay, so Guru paid the allotment money, thereby do not disturb security premium. So as far as Guru is concerned, application money and allotment money for 5,000 shares into 50, 2 lakh 50. So forfeited shares here 3 lakh 46,000. Very important. So forfeited shares 3 lakh 46. Then reissue, clearly given. All the forfeited shares are reissued to Siva as fully paid up. Okay, at rupees 80. So 9,000 shares into 8. 9 8s are 7 lakh 20. So forfeited shares 1 lakh 80. Value 9 lakhs. Here income, here loss. So net effect 346 minus 180, 1 lakh 66. This is your transfer to capital reserve. Any doubt? Very important. Okay, note it down. Sound number 3. Market is very important. This market is very important. Vishnu Limited invited application for 80,000 shares of 10 each at a premium of 2.5. Application rupees 3, allotment rupees 4.5 including premium. First call 2, final call 3. Application received 1,70,000 shares, out of which 10,000 rejected, and the money refunded to them. The allotment was made prorated to remaining application. Money overpaid on application was used against allotment money due. Siva, to whom 2,000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the allotment money, and a subsequent failure to pay the first call, his shares were forfeited. Very important. See, when compared to previous sum, this is very important. Reason is simple. See, after failed to pay the allotment money and the subsequent failure to pay the first call, his shares are forfeited. That is, the company is not waiting for second call. See, in previous sum, Ram failed to pay allotment money, first call money, and final call. After that only the company forfeit the shares. But in this case, in this particular problem, after failed to pay the allotment as well as subsequent failed to pay the first call, these shares are forfeited. That is, before second call was made, these shares are forfeited. Note it down, very important. Guru, the order of 1,200 shares, failed to pay the 2 calls, and the shares were forfeited after the final call. Of the forfeited shares, total Siva 2,000, Guru 1,200. They are reissued 2,400 shares at the rate of 8 per share, created as fully paid, including the whole of Siva's forfeited shares. So entire Siva shares forfeited. Okay, balance from Guru. Fine. Show the necessary journal entry. So application 1,70,000, application 3 rupees, thereby 5,10,000. 5,10,000. Application 5,10,000. 80,000 to 3, 2,40,000. Excess application money 80. Refund 30. Every refund 30. 10,000 into 3. This is our excess application money 80,000 into 3. Share capital 80,000 into 3. Total 170. Allotment how much? 4.5. So 4.5 into 80,000. 3,60,000. Share capital 2 rupees. 2 into 80, 1,60,000. Security premium 2 lakhs. This is very important. Reason, allotment due. Who? Mr. Siva. 2,000 shares allotted, failed to pay the allotment money. Okay, as usual, this is the working mode. Allotment due 3,60,000. Out of 3,60,000, already excess application money 2,40,000. Due 1,20,000. Wrong, no wrong. Siva 2 allotted 2,000 shares. Failed to pay allotted money. So 2,000 into allotted money 4.5. That is 9,000. Okay. But he applied how much? See, application 1,70,000 shares 80. 10,000 rejected. So pro rata 1,60,000 80. 2:1. Thereby application, total application 4,000. So 4,000 minus 2,000 into application is 3, 6,000. Thereby 3,000. So due 1,70,000. Bank allotment 1,70,000. Next share first call to share second share capital. First call how much due? 2 rupees. 2 into 80, 1,60,000. Okay, but out of 1,60,000 minus 2,000 plus 1,200, 3,600 into 2, 5, 1,200 to pay 800. 1,52,800 is here. That is 3,200 into 2. Alright, 3,200. Yes, 3,200 into 2. 6,400. Sorry. So 753, 600, 153, 600. Here very important, because after failed to pay first call, his shares are forfeited. Thereby, you have to pass forfeiture entry for Siva. 2,000 shares into, very important, 2,000 into 7. Why? Because final call 3 is yet to be made. Okay, so 7, 14,000. So it will be made 2.5. 2.5 into 2, 5,000. Allotment due 3,000. First call 2,000 into 2, 4,000. This is very important. Again, I'm saying and repeat here. How much he applied? 4,000 into 3, 12,000. This is 12,000. See, check your answer. 12 plus 4 plus 3, 19. 14 plus 5, 19. So right. Next, second call. This is also very quite interesting. See, second call which is 3, not for 80,000 shares, because out of 80,000 shares, 2,000 shares forfeited. Then we balance how much? 78,000. 78,000 into 3, 2,34,000. 2,34,000. Out of 2,34,000, Guru failed to pay 1,200 into 3, 3,600. 4,000. So 2,30,400. 2,30,400. Then Guru share also you are going to forfeit, because since he did not pay the first and second call, his shares also forfeited. Okay. So 1,200 into 10, 12,000. 1,200 into 2, 2,400. 3,600. And forfeited shares 6,000. Then reissue. How much? Not entire share. 2,400 shares reissued at rupees 8. 2,400 into 8. 19,200. Forfeited shares 4,800. 24. This is also very important in this case. Forfeited shares to capital so. See, as far as Shiva's share, the gain 12,000 rupees. Shiva gain is 12,000. Guru gain is 6,000. Out of 2,400 shares, 2,000 shares of Shiva is there. 2,000 shares, how much to gain? 12,000. For 1,200 shares, this is Guru. This is Shiva. 1,200 shares, how much give? 6,000. See, total 3,200 shares. Total 3,200 shares. But reissued, how many shares? 2,400. It includes whole share of Shiva. Then you take full amount. So balance how much required? 400. 1200, 6000. For 400, how much gross? It means 2000. So total comes to 14,000 less loss on reissue. Loss on reissue 4,800. So transfer to capital reserve 9,200. This is the final answer. Any doubt? This is loss. That's all. That's all company accounts. Okay. We did two very important sum. I think second sum is good. Okay. See, if you come across if you have any problem, do you face any problem while solving the problem? Okay. Send me via comment. Okay. I'll solve it definitely. Okay. What do you do? Company is over. That's it.